Let's say you have an image or logo that you want to use on your website or in one of your videos. However, you have a problem. This image has white space where there's supposed to be transparency. In this test website that I've created, I have a logo on my website that is the word science, and as you can see, there's this white box placed behind the letters. This is because when the image was saved as a JPEG, there's no transparency. So while this white space is supposed to be transparent, it actually comes up as white because a JPEG doesn't save transparency. What we want to do is change this image so that when we put it on the website or video, everything behind it shows up. It wants to look like this. In this example of the website, we see that the white space has been removed, it's now transparent, and there's a much greater effect. This website looks 100% better. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this using the Magic Wand tool in Adobe Photoshop Elements 9. If you have a different version of Elements, it should still work if you can find the Magic Wand tool, but there may be different options and buttons may be placed in different places, but there should be a Magic Wand tool in other versions of Elements. The Magic Wand tool is found right here in the sidebar. You can see that I have it already selected as well as the image already uploaded. So once you upload the image and select the Magic Wand tool, you want to change the options up here in this top bar. First, let's make sure that you select anti-alias and contiguous and not sample all layers. Contiguous means that it will only select parts of the image that you click on, not the whole image. Sample all layers will make sure that it's only choosing from the layer you select, and so on. Next, change the tolerance to a number, probably a low number you want, like 32. The tolerance basically tells it what type of range of colors. So since the Magic Wand tool works colored based, if you select a tolerance of 1, it will only select the exact color that you click on. If you choose a tolerance of 255, it will choose all colors that are remotely similar to what you click on. So 32 is a good number since it's closer to 1. Next, make sure that you have these two boxes selected so you can click on multiple parts of your image. These are a little bit more complicated to understand exactly what all these options do, but if you select them to what I have right now, you should get the good effect out of the Magic Wand tool. Next, you can click on all the background parts that you want to remove. So I'm going to click on all the white parts in this image. Make sure that you select every part of the background. Now what you can see is as I click on the white background, their border becomes black with white lines going around, and that means that you've selected it. Now you can see I've selected all of the background parts. We actually want to change this so that instead of selecting the white parts of this image, we're selecting the letters. I'm going to go to Select and click Inverse. Now instead of the white background being selected, all of the things that are not the white background are selected, namely the letters. We're going to then copy by going to Edit and Copy. We're going to create a new image, going File, New Blank File. Then we're going to choose the background contents to be transparent and click OK. We can then edit and paste the selected image onto the background. Now what you can see is that the letters have been placed onto a transparent background and the white background is gone. We know that it's transparent because of the checkerboard pattern. All we have to do now is go to File and Save As and save this image as a PNG. We're going to go to Format and PNG. This will make sure that the file is saved with transparency. And then when you upload your image onto the internet, it should keep all transparency if you upload it into your video, and you'll get a much better effect. So that was the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop Elements 9. Thank you for watching this WebWiz tutorial.